Claude Code can't browse the web. So somebody wrote one markdown file, and now it searches Reddit, X, YouTube, and 7 other platforms at once, ranking what it finds by what actually got upvoted. 36,000 GitHub stars later. It's not an app. It's a skill. Here's the pitch. You type one command / last 30 days, then anything. A person, a product, a war, a theme park. It fans out across a dozen platforms, reads the threads, the transcripts, the betting odds, and hands you one brief. Ask it to compare OpenClaw, Hermes, and Paperclip, and it pulls their star counts live from GitHub and lays them out side by side. The kind of answer Google quietly doesn't have. So, what is this thing? You open the repo and the magic is almost insulting. The product is a single instruction file, about 130 kilobytes of plain markdown, telling the agent how to behave. Behind it sits one Python engine the model drives with flags. That's the whole trick. The markdown is the interface. The script does the work. No app, no backend, just instructions. But searching everywhere at once is the easy part. The clever bit happens before the search. Type OpenClaw, and it first figures out where to look, that the creator posts on X as StyPete, that the argument lives in r/Claude code, which YouTube channels matter. It resolves the people and the communities first, then fires every platform in parallel. As the author puts it, not one better search engine, a dozen disconnected platforms bridged by an agent. Then comes the question that actually matters. Out of thousands of posts, which ones do you see? This is where an LLM judge steps in. It scores every result, not for SEO, but for engagement. Reddit upvotes, X likes, YouTube views, polymarket odds backed by real money. A second judge even scores for humor and wit, so the funniest takes survive. Then it merges the same story across platforms into one ranked brief. And the price? Mostly nothing. Reddit, Hacker News, Polymarket, and GitHub work the moment it's installed. No keys. For X, you just stay logged into your browser. The paid sources are strictly opt-in. Best part? It installs in one line across Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Gemini, 50+ agent hosts. Same skill, every tool. And that's the part worth sitting with. The skill is the unit of distribution now. The skill is the product. We spent a decade installing apps. We're about to spend the next one installing skills, little folders of markdown that teach any agent a new trick and travel between them. This one happens to be a search engine. The next could be anything. Now, the catch. Ranking by engagement is not the same as ranking by truth. Upvotes get brigaded. Viral doesn't mean correct. And just log into your browser is scraping. It can break, and it can brush up against a site's terms. To its credit, this isn't a toy. Over 1,000 tests pass. But a confident brief built on loud opinions is still loud opinions. Here's the speed of all this. This repo didn't exist in January. By June, it had 36,000 stars and the #1 trending spot on GitHub for what is, at heart, a markdown file and good taste about where to look. Repos linked below. The real question isn't whether this skill is any good, it's how long until your whole tool belt is just a folder of markdown files. If that future interests you, subscribe. We read the repos so you don't have to.